Hey, let's talk a little bit about the Mossy Oak field dressing kit. You got 8 pieces in here. I'm gonna go through them one by one, see what you think. First, you've got about a 7.5 inch bone slash tree saw included. You got a set of rubber gloves for when you're cleaning the animal. Pretty handy to have. You have a spreader kit. Pretty handy. Spread those. You have a small capping knife, and these things are razor sharp too. You have a larger capping knife. Try that again. So there you go, really sharp. And then you have the gut or the skinning knife. Comes along with it. And to keep them sharp, you have a sharpener, which you saw me demonstrate just a few minutes ago. So if you have someone out there that likes to hunt and is in need of a good kit to dress the animals, field dress the animal, I recommend the Mossy Oak 8-piece set. You have everything that you need, and to be able to get that animal field dressed to the butcher shop and get your steaks and roasts. So Mossy Oak, highly recommend them.